Well, let me take this opportunity to introduce the site that I built with Free Infinity. Of course, the instructions were with SiteGround, but I realized with SiteGround, you are required to subscribe. But again, on the other hand, I realized I'd already, subscribe to Free Infinity, and I could easily create a domain. So I will be glad to introduce to you the workflow and same as the whole procedure as how I went about the requirements that you put in the assignment. So the backend setup was, as I said, free, infinity free hosting, and I created the subdomain that's called cloudbridge analytics.fn. You put the link and the link in the submission page of the assignment. Then, as regards the installation of the site WordPress on this site, on this page builder, there is an application that is called Soft Aculus Installer that I used to install WordPress without manual setup. Then, as regards the SSL, that is the secure shell protection of the site. It so happens that with Free Infinity, this is automatically enabled for the subdomain that I already created. So it enforces the HTTPS, that is hypertext transfer protocols, using really simple SSL plugin for secure browsing, as we will attest to the link that I'll be forwarding. Then WordPress setup and configuration. Of course, I installed the Astra theme as you required, as was the requirement in the assessment. For one, flexibility, responsiveness, then uploaded and activated these essential tools. That is to say, Elementor for drag, drop, page buildings, ultimate additions and add-ons for Elementor, then premium starter template. By the license that you provided, I also thank you for that. You simplified and made the work easier for us. Launch the site, and then build with the templates, that is the templater, smarter, tools to import and complete the layout. That was for the foundation. Then I went ahead to edit the home page with, of course, customizing the home page with the Elementor structure. Personalize the site by branding it with title, cloudbridge, analytics. Updated the hero section headline with my bio, what we do, the services we provide, and what we intend to provide as the tools. Then replace the dummy services with the real examples like cloud performance monitoring, network diagnostics, and data analytics, then system analysis. Those are some of the projects and services that we intend to offer as one of the services that I intend to provide. Apply the clean blue and white color palette for attack and forward design. That is to say, it enables in the first place to create a user-friendly appetite for one to get on the site, who will be invited to appreciate the color formation, and it's not so congested and it's not so dark. So it's easy and it's user-friendly to look at. Then went ahead to put up additional pages and navigation, that is about us, about page, that is to do with me, what I intend to do, what I will do, and how it's gonna help me to build on my career. Then at the same time, invite you to get us, give me the work that you want me to do for you, like in a simple site creation, modifying your site, improving on the blog that you have on your site, but at the same time, it also enable me to further my career on enriching myself with information with data analytics, cloud computing, and computer networks. Then the continue section, that is, of course, how I can be reached, where I stay, and basically I will also put in a placeholder where you can give me your give a comment where you are from, and I can reply back to you gracefully. Then the final website that is basically fully responsive, secure, and cited on Infinity Free, as I earlier noted in the introduction. Demonstrations of front-end and design and back-end development skills, because that are some of the takeaways. Then reflections. Professionality is not only to enrich on some of so many things, that is appreciating designing websites, enriching my career on cloud computing and web analytics. Then at the same time, elementary blogs, like being like a community manager, how you can write blogs, and appreciating, helping others also to improve on their sites. I'll be glad to be reached out to if you need help as regards that. As regards that. In other words, I will end my presentation here, and I thank you to having listened to me. I'll be glad to hear from you. Give me the improvements that I can put on my site, and I thank you for having given me this opportunity to present this project.